Welcome you all to Dr. Neelam's Wellness channel. Today we are going to discuss about hard stools in children, understanding causes and solutions. We all know that many children are suffering from the hard stools or constipations, and all parents are worried about that. So here I am, Dr. Neelam, an Ayurvedic and fellow in child healthcare, to help all parents to get their child free from the difficulties in passing stools. Hard stools, also known as constipation, is a common problem in children. It can be caused by various factors including dietary habits, lack of physical activity, and underlying medical conditions. Types of constipations. We will see some of the few types. Common types are the functional constipation, the most common type where there is no underlying medical condition. It is often related to diet, lifestyle, or stress. Organic constipation caused by a medical condition such as structural abnormality in the digestive tract or hormonal imbalance. Then comes the secondary constipation happens due to side effect of some medication and as a result of other medical conditions, maybe hypothyroidism. Then comes the habitual constipation and what are the Ayurvedic solutions in children. So in dietary adjustment, we will include fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables and whole grains. Number 2, lifestyle modifications, encouraging your child to do some physical activity and establish a consistent bowel routine. Number 3 comes the Ayurvedic therapies, where using herbal remedies, massage techniques, and yoga exercises to regulate digestion. Number 4 comes the stress management, reducing stress. Whichever are there, even children could affect these stress levels. So relaxation techniques, yoga and meditation helps here. How does diet and lifestyle changes are useful for constipation? So number 1, fiber rich foods. Fiber rich foods increase intake of fruits, vegetables and whole grains. Number 2, hydration. Encourage your children to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Number 3, regular exercise. Promote physical activity to stimulate bowel movements. Number 4 is consistent routine. Establish a regular bathroom, bathroom needs and visits, and there should be a regular visit to that. Then how does role of enema, what is the role of enema and basti in Ayurveda in children for hard stools? Enema, it is a gentle cleansing process using warm water or herbal decoctions or oils to stimulate bowel movements. Basti is an Ayurvedic treatment which involves administration of medicated oils or herbal decoction through the rectum to lubricate the bowels and promote elimination. Then comes the role of glycerin. Many times role of glycerin is also inserted and normal saline mixed with normal saline is also inserted to provide good ease passing of stools, and it helps in constipation also. So glycerin enema is a type of suppository which softens the stool and stimulates bowel movements. It's often used for a short-term relief and should be administered definitely under the guidance of healthcare professionals. Then what are the Ayurvedic remedies for constipation in children? So a few of them to name are: number 1 is the Triphala, second is the Abrak Basma, and comes the Haritaki. So conclusions and key takeaways are: hard stool in children can be managed through a combination of dietary and lifestyle changes, Ayurvedic therapies, and sometimes with the help of enemas or suppositories can help this. It's important to consult a healthcare professional for diagnosis and appropriate treatment recommendations. For further details or inquiries or any doubt, you can contact me, Dr. Neelam, on 98925 18107. I am always there to help you. Thank you.